Hey everyone, welcome back to another CapCut tutorial. Today I'll show you how to rotate and mirror your videos using the CapCut editing app. It's a straightforward process, so let's dive right in. Firstly, open CapCut and let's get started. I've already imported a video onto my timeline. To mirror or flip the video, select it on the timeline. Scroll through the tools below until you find the Transform button. Tap on it to reveal three options. If you want to mirror the video horizontally, tap the mirror icon on the left. You'll instantly see the video flip horizontally. To rotate the video, tap the Rotate button in the center. Each tap rotates the video 90 degrees clockwise. You can rotate it multiple times until it's oriented as you like. That's how easy it is to rotate and mirror your videos in CapCut's latest update, whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. Also, check out our CapCut playlist linked in the description for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.